Hey guys, what's going on? Troy at Mountain Man Treasure. I'm in my kitchen. I got a box to open.
Mountain Man.
Treasures.
So we bought another lot of stuff from Brian over at Mr Buysalot. Actually, I bought more stuff today. Apparently this is a pattern, but it's going to be a cool box. So I thought, you know what? Let's open it on camera. All right, here's our invoice. So we paid for this lot, $145 all told. There's a 95 and a 50 in here. So let's look. There's more air pillows, free packing material. Look at this. This stuff is individually wrapped. Those guys do it right, though it's going to make it hard to open some of this with one hand. But here's some old PC games. Some of these were not worth a ton. I'll put up some comps over here. This is Alita. This is obviously open, but it feels like it's all there. Looks like it was one of his Amazon returns. See, there's new. So, well, let's see. Yeah, I thought it was open, but it's just really worn. So that is sealed. So that's good. All right, so we will look that up. New stuff is always easier to list. This is one of the reasons I bought this lot. We paid $90 for the lot that had this in it. This should pay off the lot. Look over here at our comps, Alone in the Dark 2. Now it is ripped, but clearly new. Now on Amazon, you wouldn't be able to sell this as new, but eBay, this is certainly new. Alone in the Dark 2, this old CD-ROM game, believe it or not, worth quite a lot right now on eBay. This is going to make us a lot of money. And then there's another one in here that is new. The box is a little bit wonky there, but this is new. Rome, Caesar's Will. Another big box game. I don't think this one is particularly valuable, but it's new and it's easy to sell new stuff. Let's look over here first. Oh, look, more air pillows. All right. Okay, I know what this one is. Let me take the bubble wrap off, I'll show you. There we go. This one, pretty good. This is the Tiger Elephant 135th scale model. I'll have to see if it's all there, but it looked like it when he was showing it before. I mean, it's all still on the trees. We've got the instructions here, though they're probably in Italian. This is pretty good, I think. So this will be nice. Models do tend to sell pretty well, especially vintage models. So I'm happy about this one. This is a cool Panzer tank. The Germans had really good tanks. Frankly, their tanks were a lot better than most of ours. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is what this is too. I just don't want to spoil it for you. Once I see it, I remember it being in the auction. So the Air Bandits IR. This is like a little remote control thing or drone or something. I don't know. Looks kind of cool. So we'll have to look it up and see. Packaging, a little bit trashed there. But again, this is eBay new. So that's good. Lots of bubble wrap here. Not sure what this is. One second. Okay, so this is stamped, made in Italy. It's a little bit heavy. Like I thought it was plastic. It's not, I don't think. It's very lightweight metal. Maybe a letter opener of some kind, like a very, I don't know. I don't think there's much value there, to be honest with you. This is interesting. 1964 New York World's Fair. And it says 1965, so 64, 65. Vintage pencils can be worth something. I don't know about the giant novelty pencils, but it's interesting anyway. So we'll move those out of the way. This looks pretty cool. Let's get the wrap off of this. Okay, so the packaging on this is shot, right? Like it's all peeling off. Don't peek over there. It's all peeling off, right? And I think he was showing it before, kind of the box even coming apart. But this, I think, is pretty old. The Scooby-Doo Extreme ATV. It pops wheelies. It's got headlights, an engine, 21 programmable stunt actions. It sounds really cool. 5 AAA batteries. So I'll have to, I mean, if the box really is going to peel open, I might could take it out. But this could be, I don't know. I mean, this could be a little valuable. There, see on the bottom, it does have a Warner Brothers studio store. So that's a good thing. There you go. There's a date, 2001, Warner Brothers. So it is now vintage. Let's look at the back. So there you go. It's got a remote control. And it looks fairly in-depth. Like, who knew, right? But I will have to look this thing up. We'll see if I can put some comps up over here, because right now I don't know what this is worth. It just looks really neat, and it looks like it should be worth something. So that was our $90 lot, okay? So that's what we got. The game I knew would pay off. Basically, the lot, everything else was profit, and I thought the Scooby-Doo thing, I don't know. We'll look it up. We'll see if it's worth anything or if it's just something that I get to play with. But then we spent $50 on 3 movie posters. They're all the same poster. Let me pull it out. Let me show you what we spent $50 on. So here we go, guys. Obviously folded, but you know what? That's what they did with these posters. So that's not a problem. Look at that. That is cool. A Battle Fought in the Stars Now Comes to Earth. This is actually a decent movie. I mean, it is what it is. You got to accept it for what it is. But Dolph Lundgren, this is He-Man, Masters of the Universe, the live action show. It's actually okay. But this poster, the original poster, you can see down here, made in the USA, of course, 1987. These posters sell for between $50 and $75 a piece. So I bought 3 of them. They're in varying conditions, but they're all pretty much the same. Skeletor up there, it's awesome. These at $50 to $75, I sell 1, and the other 2 are profit. They'll be a little bit long tail, but obviously this doesn't take any room to store whatsoever. So yeah, this was a fantastic buy and a really cool poster. And just like that, the box is empty and I'm in the car. I realized as I was finishing that how late it was. I've got to go pick up Mountain Kid from practice right now. So I appreciate you hanging out with me while we pulled that stuff out of the box from Mr. Buysalot. I think we got some good stuff in there. It paid up a little bit, right? But again, 1 video game and 1 poster, and we're in the profit. That's not bad. So I like buying stuff from Brian. He has a whole lot of different things, and that's what I like selling, is just an eclectic group of stuff. And we actually bought another lot from him today that I am really excited about. I don't even want to give you any hints, because when it comes, I'm going to be giddy. I think we scored huge today. When that gets in, we'll certainly unbox that. And that's the sort of thing we do on this channel. We do unboxings. We also go to garage sales. We go to estate sales, thrift stores. I tell you what sold. These are the kinds of videos you can use, especially as a newer, younger reseller, to grow your business. And I hope that you get something out of them. I hope that there's some knowledge in there that you can take and apply to your own business and make some more money, because that's what we're out here trying to do. So do me a favor on your way out. Thumbs up. That certainly helps us with the YouTube algorithm, gets our video out there to more people, and hopefully can help some more people that way. You hit that bell. That'll let you know when we put new videos up. And if you've not subscribed, I mean, you might as well. You're here already. Might as well hit that button. I appreciate it, guys. I got to get the kid. We'll see you next time. Bye.